Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of December 12th through the 18th. This is the last full week of school for me. We go here and then 2 days here and then break starts. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and take these off the discs. We survived concert week. So this week should be pretty chill. I really don't have much going on appointment-wise or anything like that, at least according to the main calendar. So I will definitely leave some spots for important info. But I think we're going to try and do a no white space spread, which is usually my famous last words. But I'm going to use the new Peppermint kit from Coffee Planner Mom. So super exciting, super stoked. First thing we're going to do is those date covers because they are amazing. And I'm sorry if my voice is a little hoarse. Used it a lot this week for obvious reasons. But so now it's just tired. It's just tired. Look how cute these are with the peppermint mochas. I will not lie, I had many peppermint stick mochas from Big B this week. I kind of let this week be my get all of the things you want week. Whatever's going to help you with the stress level. But I will also say, for those of you who saw my wellness planner, like using that little meal prep sheet, I did add more veggies in, and I was able to keep track of things like how did I feel? I ended up not keeping track in my planner because it was just that crazy of a week. So I'm hoping to do that this week. I'll film that one later, but preview of upcoming attractions. I might take Tuesday off. Not like take it off from work. I mean, take this guy off. I actually might have to have a sub on Friday because, so my parents no longer have a vehicle, which is fine. This is not a, how dare they not have a vehicle? This is like a, oh good, they don't have a vehicle anymore. It's one less expense for them, while my mom kind of misses out on like being able just to get up and go. There's a little more planning involved now. It's a good thing she lives with a planner. We have my dad's monthly allergy shot appointment. So we've been trying to use, in our area, we have a Center for Aging group, and they have bus service, and we've researched it. It's very inexpensive. It's like $2 round trip. Sweet. Well, last month when we tried to use it, they were full. We couldn't schedule it. And they only allow you to schedule 2 weeks in advance, even though this is a monthly appointment. Anyway. So my mom called them, and I said, call them early. I know they say only 2 weeks, but you know what? Let's be proactive. So a few days before the official 2-week mark, we started calling, and the lady was like, oh, I'm not even ready to do that day. Okay. So look how cute that is. Hey, Holly, there we go. Super cute. Oh, I love it. They said, call back in 2 days or 1 day. So my mom did, and by the time she called, they only had available a one-way trip. I'm like, one way? It's not exceedingly helpful. Not exceedingly. I'm gonna take a look at if this washi goes with these colors. I think it does. It has some purple in there, but I also have one that's just pink. But I feel like, oh yeah, this will be fun. So we're still having them use the bus service. We've got to call and see. They said call back because sometimes people cancel, things come up. And we'll see if we can get you a round trip, which would be helpful. But I digress. So I'm going to have to take the day to, because Mom's like, can we still at least just take the bus there? I was like, sure, but I'd rather be off that way if something would happen with the bus service not even being able to get them there. Like, we have a backup plan. We have a backup, especially since this is our first time really getting to use it. But we'll see. If something changes, maybe they will get a two-way trip. So that's the biggest thing I have going on this week. Oh my goodness. This is Happy Planner washi, by the way. I do not believe you can still get it. I believe I got it on clearance, and that was years ago. Or it came with a, what's it called? One of my teacher packs or something like that. I think I bought this to go with one of the faith planners. It wasn't a faith planner washi, but the colors went with it. This week is also like Spirit Week at one building. That's always hard for me to plan for. I typically, when it isn't something that both buildings are doing, I tend not to participate because I will forget which day we're supposed to be doing what. I mean, I can write it down. Also, I will throw out that I think Tuesday is Whoville and like the Grinch. Thursday is the Polar Express. Those are the 2 days I'm around. I can't remember if Friday at the K-3 building we're doing something. I have to double check that because we were thinking about doing this Friday and then the 2 days after that, but we'll see. Okay, where do we go from here? I do want to use that weekend banner. It's so pretty. There's so many bigger quotes this time too. Okay, hang on, let's do weekend. Oh. I was looking to see if there were any smaller. I could use like the bullet points around it, but we'll see. We shall see. This is where things get a little trickier. Let's do, I think we'll put the Peppermint Forest up at the top. All right, this is gonna be a throwback for many people. I know it's like a peppermint forest, like Christmassy, but does anyone else remember Charlie the Unicorn? If you do, let me know, because that's, for some reason my brain is going there, and it could be just because I'm tired and fatigued. But my brain instantly went Charlie the Unicorn. For those of you who do know it, you're welcome, because now you probably can't unsee it or unhear it. For those of you who don't know, you're also welcome. I'm glad. Or you can look it up. I bet you it's still around. I bet you can still find it. Those internet cartoons are always amazing. Trying to decide for Monday what else I want to put. I know I want some boxes. Maybe we'll do... Well, let's put this one on. Hang on. Let's put this one on Thursday. And keep those for Spirit Days. Let's do the And we'll do the, let's do the green. Green is fun. Green is fun. Like that. This is where things get dicey. Do I put you over here? Oh, good gravies. Let's see. So clearly the answer was I needed to stop talking and just put stickers down, because now I love this. Like, this came out super cute, but I was just getting too down on myself, but whoa. I mean, it is kind of like a peppermint explosion. I won't lie about that. And I'm okay with it as well. Let's see how it looks on the discs. Because why not? I think it's going to look great on the gold discs, actually. All right, so everything is from the kit except for, I believe, that one lone coffee. But everything else is from the kit. Now, here's what I have left. I'll probably take these downstairs with me to use in my Christmas journal. We have some checklists, or check boxes here, checklists, dots, scripts. This one I'll probably leave up here. I don't typically need that downstairs. These boxes, we'll take this guy off because we don't need to keep a page for just a box. We'll just throw him on this page. But yeah, I mean, you can get multiple weeks out of a kit from Coffee Planner Mom, or if you're doing a no white space spread, you could use all up. But I mean, I still have, look how much I still have left. It's amazing. So if you like this video and you thought it was ridiculous, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Check out Coffee Planner Mom. She has great kits. You all know that. You know how much I love them. And I'll catch you all in the next one.